SONY FX3 Mark II. Everything you need to know in the realm of compact cinema cameras. Few names command as much respect as Sony's FX series. The original FX3, introduced in 2021, quickly gained a reputation for delivering cinema-quality results in a lightweight, portable package. It bridged the gap between Sony's cinema cameras and its mirrorless alpha lineup, offering filmmakers serious power without the bulk of traditional rigs. Now, in 2025, Sony returns with the FX3 Mark II, an upgraded model packed with highly anticipated features. Filmmakers and creators have been eager to see what improvements Sony would bring, and the Mark II doesn't disappoint. So, what's new? What's better? And is it worth upgrading? Let's explore the highlights. The legacy continues with original FX3 carved out a niche by combining the cinematic capabilities of Sony's professional cameras with the convenience of a compact body. It was a dream for solo creators, small crews, and anyone needing a lightweight setup for handheld, gimbal, or drone work. The FX3 Mark II builds on this foundation, answering user requests with notable enhancements. A major new feature, Open Gate Recording. One's standout addition is Open Gate Recording. This feature uses the camera's entire sensor to capture footage in a taller, 3:2 aspect ratio. Why does this matter? Because today's content is made for multiple platforms, from widescreen films to vertical TikToks and square Instagram posts. With Open Gate, you shoot once and crop later for any format, giving you maximum flexibility in post-production. It's a popular feature on cameras from Panasonic and Fujifilm, so Sony's inclusion here is both welcome and expected. Internal 12-bit RAW recording. Another game-changing update, the ability to record 12-bit RAW internally. Previously, shooting RAW on the FX3 required an external recorder, adding bulk, cables, and complexity. Now, the Mark II lets you record high-quality RAW footage directly to memory cards inside the camera. This upgrade simplifies setups, reduces failure points, and speeds up workflows, especially valuable for solo shooters. Plus, 12-bit depth provides richer color, smoother gradients, and greater flexibility in color grading. Improved autofocus for creator. Sony's autofocus systems have long been industry leaders, and the FX3 Mark II continues that tradition. Expect real-time eye autofocus and advanced subject tracking borrowed from Sony's flagship models like the Alpha 1 and A7S III. For solo filmmakers, vloggers, and documentary shooters, this means reliable focus even when subjects move unpredictably. It's a tool that lets you concentrate on framing and storytelling, not manual focusing. Managing heat. In a more powerful camera with added power comes added heat. The original FX3 included a built-in fan to handle thermal demands, but the Mark I's enhanced features like internal RAW and Open Gate push processing further. While Sony likely refined the cooling system, it remains to be seen how well it handles heat under extended use. It won't match the cooling capacity of larger cinema cameras like the FX6 or FX9, but for its size, it could still prove reliable if heat management has been improved. Compact design remains a strength. FX3 Mark II retains the compact, lightweight form factor that made the original so popular. With multiple built-in mounting points, it eliminates the need for an external cage to attach microphones, monitors, or handles. This keeps your rig streamlined, perfect for travel, gimbal work, or drone use. Dual card slots. CF Express and Sony added dual card slots supporting both CF Express Type A and SD cards. This gives flexibility depending on your recording needs. High bitrate modes like internal RAW require the speed of CF Express, but those cards come at a premium price. SD cards are more affordable, but may not be fast enough for certain formats. It's a balancing act between budget and performance. Battery life. Still a concern? Battery life was a known weakness in the original FX3, and higher resolution, higher frame rate shooting only increases power demands. If the Mark II uses the same battery without improvements, filmmakers may need to carry extras or use external power for longer shoots. Final thoughts, strengths, and considerations. In summary, here's what stands out about the FX3 Mark II. Open Gate Recording offers maximum versatility for multi-platform content. Internal 12-bit RAW recording eliminates the need for external gear. Autofocus continues to be a standout, especially for solo creators. Retains a compact, lightweight body with built-in mounting points. Potential challenges. Battery life may still be limited for long shoots. Thermal management needs real-world testing to confirm reliability. CF Express cards, while powerful, add to overall cost. The FX3 Mark II doesn't reinvent the camera, it refines it. By adding long requested features while preserving its compact, creator-friendly design, it offers a compelling upgrade for filmmakers seeking professional tools in a portable form. Whether you're creating content for social media, documentaries, short films, or commercial projects, the FX3 Mark II delivers power, flexibility, and quality that should meet the demands of today's creators.